Hello and welcome to this video on variables in Java. In this video, we'll be discussing what variables are, how they are declared and initialized, and some important rules to follow when working with variables in Java. What are variables? In Java, a variable is a named memory location that can hold a value of a specific data type. Variables are used to store data that can be used later in the program. They can also be used to perform calculations or to keep track of program state. Declaring and initializing variables. To declare a variable in Java, we need to specify its data type, followed by the variable name. For example, to declare a variable of type int named mynumber, you would write int mynumber. This creates a variable named mynumber of type int, but it doesn't assign any value to it yet. To assign a value to a variable, you can use the assignment operator equals like this. mynumber equals 42. This assigns the value 42 to the variable mynumber. You can also declare and initialize a variable in a single statement, like this. int mynumber equals 42. This creates a variable named mynumber of type int and assigns the value 42 to it in a single statement. Variable naming rules. When naming variables in Java, there are some important rules to follow. Variable names must start with a letter, underscore, or $sign, and can be followed by any combination of letters, numbers, underscores, or $signs. Variable names are case sensitive, so mynumber and mynumber are considered different variables. Conclusion. That's it for this video on variables in Java. We've covered what variables are, how they are declared and initialized, and some important rules to follow when working with variables in Java. Remember to choose meaningful variable names and follow naming conventions to write clean and readable code. Thanks for watching. Regenerate response.